In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WordPress on Google Cloud using the quickest method available, the Marketplace or click-to-deploy approach. This is an ideal option if you want to get your WordPress site up and running swiftly with minimal manual configuration. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Cloud Console, which is your main hub for managing projects on Google Cloud Platform. Once you're there, head over to the Marketplace. This is where you'll find a wide variety of Google Cloud products and solutions that can be deployed with just a few clicks. In the Marketplace, use the search bar to find WordPress. Specifically, you'll want to look for WordPress Click to Deploy. This option is designed to streamline the deployment of WordPress by automatically taking care of most of the back-end setup for you. Once you've located WordPress Click to Deploy, go ahead and click on the Launch or Deploy button. This will begin the process of setting up your WordPress site. You'll need to configure a few important settings for your virtual machine instance. These include the machine type, which determines the computational power your WordPress site will have. You'll also select the geographical zone to optimize performance based on where your primary audience is located. Don't forget to specify the disk size to meet your storage needs. It's crucial for managing your website's content and data efficiently. Make sure to allow both HTTP and HTTPS traffic by checking the appropriate options. Ensuring secure connections is essential for user trust and SEO rankings. You will also assign a static IP to your instance. This ensures your site's IP address remains constant, which is vital for domain mapping and avoiding downtime. Once you've configured these settings to fit your needs, proceed with the deployment. Google Cloud Platform will then start setting up your WordPress installation alongside necessary components like MySQL, Apache, and PHP. After the deployment is complete, you'll be provided with the external IP or site address and administrative credentials. These details, available in the deployment output, are essential to access your site's WordPress dashboard. If you have a custom domain, you might want to configure it to point to your new WordPress site. You can do this by setting an A record in your domain's DNS settings, pointing to the static IP of your VM instance. For enhanced security, consider setting up SSL or HTTPS. This step is optional but highly recommended. You can SSH into your VM and use tools like CertBot to obtain a free SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt. This will encrypt data between your visitors and your website, ensuring safer interactions. And there you have it. This method offers a quick and efficient way to get your WordPress site running on Google Cloud without wading through complex configuration steps. Whether you're launching a blog, a portfolio, or an online business, this setup has you covered to start sharing your content with the world in no time. Happy blogging!